Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with your Wi-Fi connection which is not showing. You can see right over here in the taskbar the network connection is not available. Whenever I hover your mouse, you can see I got the error no internet access, no connection available. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the very first method, I suggest you to go ahead and do a hard reset of your router as well as laptop. For router, unplug all the power supply as well as cable of your router. After unplugging, wait for at least 3 to 4 minutes and then replug all the power supplies and turn on the router. In case of laptop or system, do the same by unplugging over the power supplies attached to a system. If you have a laptop, remove the battery. After that, press and hold the power key for at least 20 seconds to completely remove the static charge. Once done, insert the battery, replug the power supply with your computer or laptop and then connect with your Wi-Fi or router to fix out the issue of no internet access in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this failed to work out, in next step, click on the start menu and type CMD. Run CMD as an administrator. In command prompt, you need to paste a command which I will share you in the description of this video. Once pasted the command, hit the enter key. Now click on the advanced options and make sure you check mark the option apply repair automatically and then hit the next button to continue. Now from here you need to select either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whichever network connection is not working, and hit the next button to continue. You can see the problem has found and it has automatically fixed it. Even in taskbar, you can see the network connection is started to showing and Wi-Fi signals are also coming. If it is still not available or if it is unable to detect the issue, write in the command prompt, again paste the same command and then hit the enter key again until it is showing that no issues are found. For example, again I'll choose Wi-Fi, next button, that troubleshooting couldn't identify any problem. That means problem is now fixed. Now close it. Now go ahead and you can easily enjoy your internet connection. So this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.